Hello guys. So let's start our question from container with most of water. So firstly, I will not making video for the popular of my video, but for doing the learn in public, that is my main purpose for this making video. So let's start. What is our first question? First question is Leetcode 11th questions. Container with most water. So we can solve here is the from directly optimize approach, and we say you can try it from your side brute force approach. That is, you can done it. You are given an integer array. So here you are given an integer array. You are given an integer array heights of length n. So from the input side we are receiving a first input array. Here we can see our array 186254837. that is the fields from the array. And what he said next, there are n vertical lines draw such that the two endpoints of ith line I0 and I height of I. Okay, so that is say this fields from the array, that is the height of the our array, and find the two lines that together with line x-axis from a container such that the container contains the most water. Okay. Firstly, that is said from this array we can create a most container water. So we can approach here, we can see that is we can. Okay, I will approach here, understand on the whiteboard. So here is I open my whiteboard. That is what is saying question. So firstly, here is our input array 1 8, right? After that we using 6 2 5 4 8 3 and 7. From this array, that is said, you can pick this side content and this side content and check the maximum water we can store in this array using this heights. And first here is the height, that is second line height is 8. We can store the height from here to here, but that is not contain most water, because what is our width? Firstly, here is creating a container like this container, and we can store the water in this container, right? We can store. So basically, what is the main purpose of this question? That is a store. We cannot store like this, because here we can store water, but from the one we can lose our water and store only this side. Okay, this side what was the first thinking in my mind? We can use pointers. First pointer is here, ith pointer in loop, and traverse through an internal loop from j to length of the array, and we get all the contents from the array. Yes, we can do from this side, but that is some problem from TLE, that is time limit exceeded. We can got time limit exceeded, TLE. So what is the first approach that I think? We can approach the two pointers approach. Two pointers. Why two pointers? Because here is the height of the array, and this is the height of the array from left side pointer and right side pointer. So we can create a pointer. Here is the left pointer, and this is the right pointer. We can approach it from this side. Okay, so when we got our left side pointer is less than from the right side pointer. So firstly, here we can say, firstly from this side here is way and a left pointer, and we got here to next pointer to, okay, here is a our left pointer, and this is our right pointer, right pointer. So when we got the our pointer is left pointer is less than from the right pointer, we should increase this pointer to this side. And whenever we got the right side pointer is less than from the left side pointer, we can traverse through here. That is the first my approach we can think right now. Okay, we can say in the code right now. So let's open our Leetcode. Here is way. So we can create two pointers. So here is adding a comment, create two pointers left and right. Okay, left and right. That is the first is int left equal to 0. That is first pointer starts from the 0. Here we can receive array that first pointer left pointer is starting always from the 0th index, and the second pointer is the right pointer, which is start from the always length from the array, length from the array. So basically we are creating here a right pointer, that is a right equal to length -1, because array is a 0 indexed array, so we can minus the length from 1. Okay, right height, what is the array name? Height dot length -1, right? So we are create two pointers, first pointer from here 0th and second pointer is end of the array. Okay, after this, whenever our left and right pointers, whenever it collide to here, we can say in the whiteboard. So I have, whenever our point reach to a side left from the here and right from the here, we can stop the loop. So basically what is the loop's condition? We can use here while loop, left greater than right, left greater than right. We approach the while loop, so we can implement here. Okay, while left greater than okay, left less than from right. Okay, and we start a loop, right? But here we can store our the containers value, means maximum water. We can store the water, but where we can store the water? So basically we are creating a max water variable, int max water, that is storing the maximum water's value, that is stored in a one container. So we are creating here int max water, that is contain maximum value. Firstly is initializing from 0, right? Okay, what is the, so we can approach here, we can code the how we calculate a container. We calculate a container like this. One is height and one is width. So what is our width? So this is 0th index array, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we can create container from 1 to 4. So what is our width of the container? That is the 4 minus 1, 1 2 3, that is 4 minus 1 equal to 3, means this is our right pointer and this is our left pointer. So we can say our width is equal to right minus left. Okay, we can say it. So we can write in this code, that is right our width equal to int width equal to right minus left. Okay, int width equal to right minus left. Okay, after this, what is the container's value? We can storing a height, but what is the our height? Our height is the minimum height, because the here a container we approach here left, and the minimum side of the minimum, that is our containers height, minimum containers height, because we can approach the maximum, but here is not a store water, because this is not a container. This container is only 1 to 1, so we are approaching the minimum, that is minimum from height of high and height of right. Okay, so int height, we can declare variable name high equal to mat.min. That is a function that accept the two values and return the minimum from them. Okay, mat.min, right? Mat.min, and this function accept two arguments, that is one is our max water, height of left pointer, and second is height of right pointer, height of right pointer. So here look into code. Here is our height of I, that is a value of the arrays field, that is height of I. So we can here disclosing it. Firstly, height is height of left and height of right. We got a minimum value from both containers, both side of the containers, right? Okay, we approach here, that is minimum. After we calculating the maximum water from both, so here is we store in the capacity of the container, capacity. So we can declare directly name capacity, that is the width multiply by height, right? Right. So we got a maximum height. So firstly we can store height of 20 descending, and we got a height 24. We got maximum value from both values, that is a 24. So we using a inbuilt function, that is mat.max. Okay, max water means maximum water stored in container equal to mat.min, and mat.min first parameter is max water, and second parameter is capacity, that is stored in a container. Okay, after that is one main goal is residing behind, that is how our pointer is shifting this side and how our right pointer shifting this side. Whenever we got this side is left, we can increase the left pointer, and whenever we got this side is low, we can minus from right pointer. Okay, if so, here we use height of left pointer, that is less than from right pointer. Okay, height of left, right. So add the one sign in into between this, that is the less than, right? And whenever this condition match, we can approach a left pointer to right towards. Okay, left plus. In else condition we write directly right minus, that is shifting right pointer to leftwards. Okay, after this conversion we got answer in max water, that is we are returning to the Leetcode. Okay, firstly we approach return max water. Okay, so accepting. Okay, that is some compile time error, bad operates for binary. What is int capacity equal to? Okay, here is some logical mistake, that is we store a height in the high variable, but we here declare directly height, that is the name of array. So we here declare high. This time is not compile time error. We got a answer accept. Okay, we got a accept. Okay, what is this? Right, there is some logical mistake from this side, that is we are using alternative of math.min. Here we approach directly math.max. These are some logical mistakes whenever you code. Okay, right, here we are code accepted. Okay, so this time complexity is a, in worst case time complexity is a big O of n. Okay, I will not approaching here. So that's for all question. Please, what is the mistakes from this video, and what is my logical mistake and communication mistake, please note down me in comment. Okay, thank you.